Hello everybody, so I've got a really easy low-carb cauliflower rice recipe that I want to show you today. It literally comes out in about 10 minutes and it tastes so fresh and it's totally delicious. And it's kind of the cauliflower season now. We're in October and I couldn't resist getting a whole head of cauliflower and just do something interesting with it. Now, probably you've heard of cauliflower rice before. It's a great substitute for the traditional rice. It's low carb, it's high fiber, it's so good for you, and there are some really easy, tasty ways of preparing it. So so I basically have a whole head of cauliflower that I have grated. Now, if you want to go mess-free, I suggest that you use a food processor to process it. So that's kind of gonna be a very easy way for you to kind of grate it without using a grater. But I am quite a traditional person and I just use the grater. So now I have a bit of harissa. Now I normally make my own harissa, but in this case I've just decided to use a shop bought one. And I've got salt, I've got some herbs, I've got lemon and juice and zest that I'm gonna use. And this is literally just gonna get mixed in here and that is done. It's super simple recipe. So let's get going. So this is about a handful of fresh dill that I've just chopped up. So I'm just gonna add this in the bowl. And you can use any really herbs you like. I decided to use some fresh mint that I've chopped up as well. It was kind of I think it was like around 10 leaves of mint. You can use parsley, you can use any kind of herbs you like. Dill, mint, I've got some lemon zest. It's basically a zest from a whole lemon. And now I'm just gonna juice the lemon as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt, not too much, just a bit. Okay, so with the harissa, it really depends on how you like it. If you like spicy stuff, then I'll use more. If you don't, then I'll just use a minimal amount. So I'm just gonna go for about 2 teaspoons. I think that should just be good enough for me. Okay, now let's mix. Look at just how beautiful it looks right now, and I've only just used 2 teaspoons of harissa paste, and it just looks so colorful and just looks so fresh and tasty. And this is really it, guys. Like, it's no rocket science here. Like, it's a simple recipe done well. Now, this can be served in your lunchbox for work. You can serve this as a side dish to any meal you fancy. In fact, you can also serve this as a sandwich filler, if anything. So yeah, I mean, get creative, guys, and this recipe is just absolutely delicious, simple. I could not recommend it enough.